Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into luxury on wheels with the 2025 Prevost Millennium Five Star, a motor coach that redefines premium travel. If you're looking for the ultimate in comfort, technology, and performance, this might just be the gold standard. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Millennium Five Star sits on the proven Prevost chassis, known for its unmatched durability and smooth ride. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, with custom paint options and full-body graphics that scream sophistication. The chrome accents and LED lighting give it a bold road presence, while the slide-out sections expand your living space at the push of a button. Step inside, and it's like walking into a five-star penthouse on wheels. The cabin is crafted with hand-selected Italian leather, real hardwood flooring, and high-gloss cabinetry. Ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Every inch is designed for luxury, from the heated floors to the motorized blinds. The living area features premium recliners, a 4K smart TV, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system. The galley kitchen is fully equipped with a residential-sized fridge, induction, cooktop, convection microwave, and even a dishwasher. All the appliances are integrated seamlessly for a sleek, modern look. In the rear, the master suite offers a king-size bed with memory foam, built-in USB ports, and custom storage. The ensuite bathroom features a full-size shower with marble, finishes, a backlit vanity mirror, and even a stackable washer and dryer. This isn't just a mobile home, it's a luxury apartment on wheels. Under the hood, the coach is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, delivering around 500 horsepower. It's paired with an Allison transmission, providing smooth shifts and excellent torque. Air suspension and advanced braking systems ensure a ride that's both safe and unbelievably smooth, even at highway speeds. The 2025 Prevost Millennium Five Star isn't just about luxury. It's about freedom, performance, and living life without compromise. Whether you're on a cross-country tour or parked lakeside, this motor coach makes every moment unforgettable. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing vehicle reviews.